Hey, I'm Chandler from Dittofeed, a new open source alternative to platforms like Klaviyo, MailChimp, and Braze. Subscribe to this channel for tutorials and product updates, and visit dittofeed.com to get started with Dittofeed Cloud. Today we're looking at Dittofeed's low-code email template editor, so let's jump in by navigating to Message Templates and creating a new template. We'll call this low-code test, and make sure that these settings are on email and low-code. Click Create. The left view lists all the available user properties and their example values. These properties can be used as template variables to render useful user-specific information in messages. The right view is the rendered message preview, and the center view is the Notion-like low-code editor, which can be expanded if needed. To insert a user property, just hit the / and select it. Let's select the first name property and give it a default value of member for fun. Now if I put something like dear user first name and there isn't a first name found for the user, it'll default to member. And over here in the body preview, the rendered message, you can see that the example value for the property is being rendered as Matt, which we can see here. There are a lot more blocks within the / command, which you can see some examples of in the default template. There is a markup block, and there's some inline markup. There's also text formatting with highlighting. You can also add things like unsubscribe links and images, bulleted lists, different headings, block quotes, etc. When you're done editing your template, click Publish and confirm Publish. Drafts will also be saved if you forget to publish. In the From field up here, you can include the email you'll be sending from. If you want to add a separate reply to address, just click Options and fill in the reply to field. You can also add CCs, BCCs, and attachments. You can also edit your subject line here and include user properties if needed. If you want to send a test message to yourself, edit the email user property to include your email address. Click Send Test Message, and now the message will go to your email address after you hit Submit. And that's how you use Dittofeed's low-code editor. To get started using Dittofeed today, visit dittofeed.com and sign up for our Cloud Pro plan. Thanks, and see you next time.